Hello everyone. So I just want to check in real fast as I'm a little over halfway finished with my hair and styling it all over again. I'm doing the braids and the twists, and I just have this piece to finish now and then the very front. Now I'm not really focused on any sort of parting, patterns, neat. I don't really care if things are perfect, because I don't have time for all of that. However, I just wanted to check in real quick and just show the progress, and then I'll do a follow-up to this and show the finished product. In the meantime, between time, baby girl is over here entertaining herself and I'm entertaining myself watching the game. Now, this TV show, I didn't watch it when it was out. So for me to start watching it now, like, I don't even know, it's been like 6, 7, 8 years since it came on air, and I'm just like, ooh, like every episode, at the end of every episode, I'm just like, ooh, there's so much drama, oh my goodness. So anyways, random, but back to the hair. I'll follow up in a few days, because so far it's been 3 or 4 days, and I've gotten this much done. Again, we're just doing some twists. Start with a braid, finish with the twist, but not every single piece is like that. Like some all the way in the back are just straight braids all the way through. And then maybe I'll finish with the twist, just because like the hair strands, they're just too small and I don't have time for all of that. So this is a great protective hairstyle, and I love doing this style and leaving my hair like this for 6 to 8 weeks. And then I get to see what is the growth like. So I'll follow up soon. So I actually made a video of me styling my hair, but it got lost during the editing process, so sorry about that. But you can at least observe here what I was doing, what I'm doing with my hair as far as the braids that I start with and then finish with twists, so that I can have a little bit more volume in the style, and also so that the roots look more maintenance. I mean, the parts don't look as nice here because it's so fresh, but over time it will come together just fine. Okay, so we're back and I'm ready to do my final hairstyle reveal. I'm so excited because it took forever to do this. Well, not too long, just 1 week. So let's go ahead and remove my scarf here. I'd say I've been finished with styling my hair now for maybe 2 or 3 days. It's just a ghost. My baby girl just walked into the room. So this style is not as fresh as it could be, but it's still fresh, you know, considering that I'm going to have my hair styled like this for 6 to 8 weeks. I'd say it's fresh. Now, this time I just was not as particular about many of the things that I was the first time that I made this video. You know, like the parting in the back is not nearly as defined as it is in the front. Noise pollution. It's not as defined, these parts, but it's okay. It's okay, because over time, as my hair is growing into the look, you know, you won't even see the parts. What matters most to me is that the parts are more defined in the front. That is what is important, because when people are looking at you, they're not looking at the back of your head, they're looking at the front of your head. So this is what is more important. And there's some definition happening here. So again, I start with some braids and then I finish off with twists. Some braids are braids all the way through, like in the back. Now I did mostly the braids all the way through in the back because this is the part of my scalp that, you know, will get fuzzy over time. So why not make sure that it doesn't get fuzzy by keeping a full braid? Now, will I develop more volume because of this, because there are more braids in the back, like full-on braids, micro braids in the back than there are in the front? Perhaps, perhaps not. But what I can always do, since this will be my hairstyle for the next several weeks, is I will just redo, retwist, rebraid, and that is the focus. Now, lengthwise, after me braiding, my hair is not quite at my belly button. So here's my belly button. See? So the goal is for in 6 to 8 weeks my hair to reach my belly button. We'll see. And in the back, I want to have my hair reach my tailbone. Although it's close. It's close because my tailbone is here. So that's what I'm going for this go round. We'll see what happens. I'll connect in a couple of weeks to show the wear and tear of my hairstyle, but also I'll connect at the end when it's time to remove this hairstyle and show off what is the length. How much did my hair grow in 6 to 8 weeks? We'll see. Stay tuned.